close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
push till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright everybody, here we are, and so far I have been just learning about NextJS because I need to learn about it, and mainly at least I had the basic knowledge of it. Even I was working on a project using NextJS, so it's not like I know nothing about that, but I cannot say that I'm really good at NextJS. So I wanted to learn this really well, and for that thing I just started watching some of the videos on NextJS. And this particular project was being actually made on NextJS, covering the things. And as per the designing and all, you can just somehow make the design. That's not really a big problem. So even we will be remaking it. So it's simple. Whatever projects we are getting, let me even turn on the chats right now. I'm gonna be turning the chats on. So whatever projects we are making, we will be remaking them in order to just get the good grasp at the topic. Apart from that thing, to be able to make that thing to on or on. So it's like that. By the way, this is completely made with the help of the tutor. The next time I will be making it too, like I'll be making it on my own, so that at least I have the confidence of making the things. So it's not just about learning, it's about building the things, though it hasn't been done yet. So today I will not be making it, and moreover I do not have that much time to make it. So right now we will be switching to Docker and actually deploying our EC2 machine, deploying our code to the EC2 machine, and then see how that goes. And this is how we'll be going ahead. I am going to do only one more thing. I will be simply turning the chats on, and this time let me tell the title NextJS and Docker, and deploying to EC2 machine, something like this. This is going to be the title, by the way. So I'm gonna be deploying the project that we already had. Enough of learning this thing right now. We have learned enough of NextJS today. Now we will be getting the remaining things done tomorrow. Today we have done nothing much, but pretty simple. First of all, we created the layout was already created. So we created ultimately two components. The first component was navigation. Second component that we created, that is the footer, and that is it. And after that, page was already there, so we made it the main page, kind of yeah, the page that is by default provided by NextJS. We made it the main page, and we created navigation and footer, and we just added some style. Adding style, again, you will have to work, you will have to remake the things, only then you will be getting at designing good websites. I'm really bad at this, and that is why I will be recreating it, I will be redesigning it in the same way, so that at least I get better at designing and all. For now I will be just simply stopping this thing. Why? Because I have to switch to right now. I hope I have turned the chats on. I haven't. Let me turn the chats on. It's time to deploy the things on Docker. Yesterday, so far there was an application that I wanted to deploy on Docker, but I haven't deployed that yet. So right now I'm just gonna be working on that. And apart from this particular thing, as for the videos and all, I will be watching them tomorrow. So this is how it's actually gonna be going on. So let me download them too. Alrighty, and let's end it all. And yeah, that is it. So what are we going to do right now? We will, as I have changed it in the title, we will be deploying the application on EC2 machine using Docker, and that will be containerized for sure. So for that particular thing, let's open Visual Studio Code, and first of all let's open that particular project. That is just a demo project. It's not like that is a big one. The demo project, we will be actually pushing it to the Docker Hub as well as the EC2 machine, something like that. And for that thing, I hope I'm going to get that. That name was to do FullStack. Well, it has nothing to do with the to do application and all. Well, it is just a like simple project that I'm going to deploy. So this is the project, and it has when it comes to the features and all. So first of all, I hope I haven't missed anything. First of all, it has apps, it has backend, it has WebSocket, and it has a web app. So ultimately it is the combination of these things, and it has database is connected in backend, web as well as WebSocket. So this is how it goes. The most important thing that when first of all, let me even check this thing. I should be able to delete it. Okay, if I actually check the Docker, let's see what's running right now. Docker ps. So right now there is one application that's running. We have to do one more thing. First of all, let's check git status. we have some of the untracked files, and what are they? We changed some of the things, right? Got that. And for that particular thing, first of all, we will be adding them. So let's do one thing. Docker, not even Docker, git add all, git commit m, save everything. I'm just going to save everything, whatever that is there right now, and then I will be checking whether it works or not, because at least backend and WebSocket that was already getting pushed to the EC2 machine. I wanted to just worry about the web section, because over there are some special things, but let's see. Git push, and I am pushing it. Okay, let's remove all these things. Enough of learning React and NextJS today. I will be relearning tomorrow. Let's go to GitHub. Over here, the repositories that I have, one of them repositories is a 2D deployment. Over here, this is even not a to-do application. This is just a simple application, and in this application, I have a demo application of backend, frontend, and WebSocket, and then I'm trying to push it to the EC2 machine. But what am I getting right now? Let's go to actions. When I go to actions, so 3 things I tried to deploy and 2 things failed. So first of all, let's check the WebSocket, why WebSocket is actually failing, and then we'll be going ahead. I hope right now music is not being played in the background. Yeah, that's not. So let's go ahead. So this particular thing failed. Why that failed? I will be just testing this thing now. Failed to build, failed to solve, failed to read Docker file, open Docker, okay, WS, no such file or directory exists. Okay, I made some changes yesterday, and because of that thing I'm getting error. It's simply saying that it is unable to read Docker file.ws. That means I changed my CI/CD pipeline, and in CI/CD pipeline, when I'm working with a CDWS, even I should make it a CD WebSocket, something like this. And will the name matter here? Interesting thing. Once I made the CI/CD pipeline, and the name should not matter here, at least for this, because I'm mentioning the things by default. Whenever I push to the main branch, it runs, the machine runs on Ubuntu, like the machine that runs, that is Ubuntu latest. And then something is missing here that I messed up yesterday. I need to fix that. To do app web. Okay, here it is. This name should be WebSocket. Okay, because yesterday I changed this name, and if I go to my Docker files, and over here I changed the name WebSocket. So yeah, let's go ahead again. Git एक बार 2 बार दबाइए से बंद हो जाएगी. Okay, git commit a and m, that's gonna be the message. I'm committing and adding at the same time, and it's gonna be modify the name of WebSocket, as simple as that, something like this. Let's push it to the GitHub, and GitHub will automatically push it to the Docker Hub as well as to my EC2 machine. It's like that. 2 things are happening at the same time on GitHub. So let's click on actions. So last time backend was deployed successfully, frontend failed, and WebSocket failed. But I want that WebSocket should at least succeed. It failed again. What? WebSocket failed. No, it did not fail. So WebSocket is here. WebSocket is here. What is happening? Reload the page. 2 things are, I have frontend, I have backend. Okay, I didn't change anything in the backend. Maybe because of that thing it has been cached, and right now nothing is happening. I know frontend is going to be failing right now, but backend should not fail. And another thing I had, that was WebSocket, and I don't have that in progress. Why? I'm not sure. Let's click on to do deployment. Over here, let's click on this. I only have 2 processes running right now, so I will have to rerun the another process as well. Okay, modify WebSocket. Ultimately frontend failed. That was something that was certain, but when it comes to WebSocket, it should not fail this time. So That's what I'm gonna check, whether WebSocket actually fails this time or not. And it turns out it did not fail. Yeah, it did not fail. So we have fixed the problem of the WebSocket. The only thing that we have to take care of, that is the front end thing. The front end is failing over and over. No. Deploy to the backend, that works. I hope the problem of the WebSocket has also been solved. And now I'm gonna be working with the WebSocket. But there is a problem. I need to use the URL, and first I'll be getting that URL from NeonDB so that I can actually use that. So NeonDB, let's get the URL. And this time, first of all, I even need to push the schema, migrate the schema to the database, because that is something that needs to be done manually, and then remaining things are going to be done. Long time ago I created all this. Never mind, let's create a new project, and that's gonna be to do deployment. And right now I'm just simply working on one thing. There are going to be two things at the end of the day. There are two branches, right? One of them is gonna be production branch, and one of them is gonna be one of them is going to be dev branch. And in that case, we will actually have to create two instances of EC2 on AWS, but we are creating only one just for testing purpose. Later, when we are actually working with the real project, then I will be creating both of them. Let's go to connect, get the URL for now. This is the URL that I have. I'm gonna be simply copying it, and I will be using this URL. Ultimately, this particular thing will be used. I hope that's what. I hope I'm copying it properly from beginning till the end. Alright, once I have copied this, I will be using this URL, and in order to use this URL, first of all, I'll have to replace everything. Simply because I don't need to do this over here. At least I can get rid of it. Second thing, I need to change the URL in my DB, and that was this. This time I will not be using this one. Rather, I will be using this new database URL that I have got. So database URL is going to be this that I actually got from NeonDB, and I will be just copying the whole thing, Control C. And once I have copied this, I will actually be using the same database URL everywhere, over here as well. But I don't even need to use database URL, this particular database URL over here, because I will be providing the database URL manually. So this thing also can work. So let's do one thing. Let's go cd and inside db, and what we are gonna be doing, first of all, I will be migrating the database. So pnpm prisma migrate db. I'm simply migrating it to the database. Once it is migrated, once schema is migrated, then I can just simply go ahead. Well, there should be not db, there should be dev, sorry for that. So pnpm prisma migrate dev, it will simply migrate my schema to the database, and this time as I'm using the URL of NeonDB database, so all the schema is going to be migrated there. So let's see how it's gonna work, and then we are simply be going ahead. Alrighty, migration has been done almost. It's almost about to be completed. So let's go to tables, and over here we should be able to see the migration that we have made right now. This is the to-do deployment database we are using. Later we will be switching to AWS and all, that's another case. But right now the schema has been migrated, and we are getting these two tables, to-do table and user table over here. That's a good thing. What is the next thing? The next thing is that when I actually deploy these things, they should be using the new database URL. So if I actually have a look at my here backend Docker file, So at that time I am providing a demo URL over here. Even I don't need to provide this one, rather I can just provide this particular thing. Like this one is even better, that database URL is no, like you are not really actually providing any real database URL, that is just for configuration purpose, that should exist there so that it can generate the it can generate the client. So whenever I'm running run db generate, at that time I need just a field called database URL, whether that is real or not, that doesn't matter. So I will be using this, and so ultimately I will be able to generate the client where in the container. That is the most important thing. Inside the container the client is going to be generated. And what will happen, simple thing, when I push my code to GitHub, and at that time GitHub will actually build the image with the help of this Docker file. I can build the image here as well, like I can build the image on my machine, but it is all about building the image over GitHub so that it can actually push the image to my Docker hub, as well as pull the image to inside the EC2 machine. So it will be building this. While building, it will need to generate the client, and when it needs to generate the client at that time, whether that is a real URL or not, that doesn't matter. At least there should be some kind of URL, and that is why I have mentioned it here. Same thing I am doing with WebSocket. I am providing the database URL, and the database URL is no, right? You don't really need a real database. It's just like it should exist over there. So I have done both the things, but when it comes to front end needs to talk to database while building. So whenever I'm building it, whenever I'm building the image, at that time my front end actually needs to talk to the database, because I'm actually making a request to the DB. At that time, as it needs the database, so I will have to provide build arguments. Build arguments means I will have to provide the right database. Ultimately, build argument is going to be database URL that will actually be available when the file is actually being built, which means when the image is actually being made. So at that time I will be providing it the real database URL. That is something that I have to keep in mind, and that is it. By the way, if I go to my CI/CD pipeline over here, backend, if I check out the backend thing, so I don't really need to worry about anything except one thing, that is I have to provide it the database URL. And how will my backend talk to the real database? Am I giving any password over here? Because let's see, I'm able to build the image, that is great, and using Docker files it's going to run. So what about this thing? Where's that? Docker compose ML. I think this is going to be useful when I actually need to run the thing. So inside the container, whenever I'm running them, I will be providing these things. Okay, and one more thing that is needed right here. If I actually go to CDML, and if I go here, first of all I'm SSH into I'm going into the machine. Once I'm going into the machine, what I'm doing is this simple thing, Docker run. This is the process that it will be running, and port number and the image that it's running. But there's the thing, the image itself is going to be needing some kind of database URL, and I'm not providing that database URL. I am providing that database URL inside Docker compose ML file. So over here what's happening, that I'm saying that you have to run the backend. Okay, you have to build the image. Once the image is built, you have to run that, and for running that I'm providing you the database URL. Okay, so let's provide the real database URL over here. This is also going to be uploaded on EC2 machine. At that time I will use this command to run it, and I hope it will work. By the way, let's provide the real database URL, and that real database URL is going to be this. Well, this is too much. This is not really too much, but let's cut it, Control X and Control V. Well, that's bad. Let's cut it from here, let's paste it here, something like this. Let's go to the beginning, and this is going to be like this. Well, it should be inside that. So this is the real database URL that I have. That means it's going to be functional, like I can send any data over here. So I'm gonna be just copying this thing over here. I will be providing the same database URL here as well, but I need to provide the build arguments. The same database URL needs to be provided there as well. So let's provide it here. Things seem to be okay, and let's provide the same thing over here. I hope it's gonna be working fine. I can actually move it, and that is it. This thing is done, this thing is done, and whenever WebSocket server is running, I need to provide the database URL over there too. So of course I'm using NeonDB for providing the database URL. Lastly, whenever Postgres image runs, I don't need to provide the database URL. Having said that, whenever I'm going to run it, I'm providing the database's URL, that is great. But oh hi Akash, how are you? The good thing is that I haven't even completed it well, but let's see. So if I actually go there, what I'm doing in all the Docker files, ultimately CI/CD pipeline, if I go to front end, in front end I'm pushing it there, and once it got pushed, I'm actually doing nothing. There is no step at all, like what exactly you have to do inside that. Okay, if there are no steps, that's all right. If I go to my WebSocket, I think even there are no steps. I have done only one job, like doing like SSH into machine, and then pull it and start running it. But the thing is that when I start running it, I need the database URL, but there is no database URL as such. How will my machine actually get the access of the database URL? Okay. The first thing is that whenever you are running that, you provide the database URL, it will get it from there. This is one of the ways, and that is true. And this is one of the ways, and I'm doing it over here. And the second way could be that you actually use Docker Compose up over there, and Docker Compose up will handle everything. So let's do one thing. Let's actually run WebSocket. I mean, try to get the result from the backend. If it succeeds, then we will be switching to some like a WebSocket and web app as well. For that thing, what I need to do, first of all, let's push the things to the GitHub. But before that, whatever changes I have made, let me have a look at that. This WebSocket, I didn't change anything, that's okay. And I mainly changed the files, like backend Docker file. Inside here I'm providing mini okay, that's okay. I'm providing a demo database URL, that is all right. And when it comes to this backend thing, I have no option to provide the database URL over here. And when it comes to this Docker Compose file, at that time I am providing the database URL. But the problem is that for using this database URL, I will have to run Docker Compose up, that I am not supposed to be using right now. So ultimately I will have to change the Docker run command whenever I am running that. Okay, let's check even this thing out. If I wanna run backend, okay, so ls, and this time I wanna build the, I already have the image if I'm not wrong, Docker and images. I already have the image, and it will automatically get the latest one. What I want to do, simple thing. First of all, I want to use the current latest tag, and with that I wanna run it. I wanna run it locally, so let's run it locally. So run Docker run. I wanna run it on which port? When it comes to Docker file backend section, that is actually running on 8080 port. So run it on 8080 port. And once you are running it on 8080 port, what application do you actually have to run? So I have to run unstoppable the coder / to do app backend. Okay, this is something that I have to run to do app backend. And once this is running, what I want, I don't want it to use the database that I have given over here, and for that thing I will even be I have already commented it. I have commented or not, let's check. I haven't commented, so let me comment this. And once I have commented this, and if I try to run it, it will not run, because it will run, but it will ask for the data. And not only this thing, let me get the current push on Docker Hub. So Docker Hub, I will be going there. Even I had better just write the full name directly, never mind. Let's sign in over here. First of all, continue. This was a topic that needed to be completed today itself, that is why I just thought of getting it done. Let's go to WebSocket backend, and over here if I go to tags, this is the latest command that I had, and let me copy the tag of this particular commit. Once I copied it, I need to go here and paste this particular tag that I have got. So this is the thing that I have. Ultimately what I'm doing, that the image is already built because I have pushed that there, that is right. Once I have pushed that, backend is up and running, I should be able to save the data if the backend is actually running. So let's see. But the thing is that even if I run this thing right now, let's run it. It's no use discussing the thing over here. 8080 and it's gonna be 8080. Let's run it right now. First of all, it's getting the image from the Docker Hub, that is right. Once it got the image, I'm not providing any database URL. That means if I'm not providing any database URL, it will fail, that is for sure. And if I actually want it to use the database URL, I will have to provide the environment variable. That is something I need to keep in mind. And while it's happening, let's have a look at our nodes and see how we actually provide the database URL while we run a file. This is something I have done already, so I think it's like using -e that could be called the environment variable, and that is how we provide that. But even before that, I just want to make sure that is the right thing. So let's go there. Let's go to just deploying to VM. Steps I mentioned earlier, I don't even have to do this particular thing when we are deploying to VM. When are we running Docker? So Docker is here, and inside it, whenever we run in the image, run this, am I providing in database URL somewhere? This is where I'm providing the database URL. Like Docker run it on this particular port, and the database URL is going to be this. Ultimately, it's gonna be using this particular database URL. The image is going to be using this particular database URL. That is a good thing. Like we can actually make it work. Right now, it has started. If I go to 8080 port, let's go to localhost 8080 port. Okay, that is on. That is why we are getting this get. But if I actually have a look at my file, so it has a port called the users, where I will get all the users. If I make a request to that particular route, here I'm getting this particular error. What is this? This is Prisma client can't reach the database server. Ultimately, I didn't provide any database URL, so it is unable to reach that. So what I'm going to do, simple thing, I'm actually gonna provide, first of all, even before that, that process I think is still running. PS, that is the database that's running. Docker PS for all. That's let me delete that, remove that. Ultimately, the process that I was running just some time ago. So Docker PS, Docker remove. What do I have to remove? I have to remove this particular process that was already running. So let me remove it. The Docker PS again for all. I hope that's not running right now, and then I should be able to run that particular command. I'm going to run the image, but this time I will be providing it the database URL from my own side. How will I be providing it? It's pretty simple. I want to provide the environment variable. The environment variable is going to be database URL, and I want to use it to use this I want it to use this particular database URL. Where will I get it from? I will get the database URL from NeonDB. So if I go to NeonDB, if I go to dashboard, over there I will click on connect, and this is the database URL that I actually have. And I'm just simply going to copy this database URL. And once I copied it, let's go back to my terminal and paste the database URL over here. Well, there is no password, come on. Let's copy the password just this time. This password, come on, this is insane. Control C. Okay, I got the password. What should I be doing right now? Pretty simple stuff. I have to go here and over here actually, and then I have to change the password. So it's gonna be, oh, what the hell. Let's do one thing. Let's change everything now. I don't really have any other option. Okay, then I have to just copy the database URL properly in the right way. I hope that's gonna be working. Let's copy show password, copy the whole database URL, Control C, and right now let's paste it here. Once I got my database URL, then I have to go over here and let's actually name it as keep it inside some kind of variable, or I can make it database URL. So database URL is going to be this that I'm actually providing, and once I have provided this, then I think nothing else. It should simply work this time. So let's run this and see. Okay, there's something unstoppable the coder backend. No such file or directory exists. Docker images. I have that image. Why am I getting the error when I run that? Okay, that is the thing is that I have given a space over here that should not be given. So let me even remove that particular space, and now this should work. But again, I'm getting this error. What is the problem with this? Docker run, you have to run on 8080 port. The environment variable that I'm actually providing, that is this. Once I have provided the environment variable, this is the file that I want to run, and that is it. And this is the tag that I want to use. What is the problem with this? Docker run requires at least one argument. It should be working fine. Let's have a look at the nodes that I have created. Whenever I run something, this is how I run, and at the end of the day I provide the name. Database you will be available in the process.env.dataset. That is amazing. Using the okay, I can run it like this. So what is the problem with this? Is there anything wrong with the command that I'm running? So this is the command that I'm actually running right now, and let's do Control C and simply paste it over here. Is this right or wrong? Fails because the multi-line database URL with a new line after /sig breaks shell parsing Docker. Okay, so ultimately that breaks. Got that? This passes the full neon postgres section URL correctly. So I have to use this two backslashes. Image nodes. The push the image likely not just reach my expecting database URL to be etc. This, yeah, that's right. Let's do one thing. The thing is that I'll have to use backslashes in order to because of database URL I'm facing this issue. So I'll have to use this thing over here, and let's go just over here, and I think it should work fine if I just use that. Let's see. I think so, yeah. Let's see. Let's run it again and see whether it works or not. Well, getting that error again, that's alright. Let's make some space over there. This much, and I've exactly done the same thing again. Docker invalid reference format. No such file or directory exists. Okay, no such file or directory exists. No. There is because Docker in image installable backend contains special characters. हाँ कौन दीदी कब तक में ओके जा रहा okay multi-line word codes I need to put everything inside quotes. Okay, let's even do this thing. Let's keep them inside quotes because I'm using that multi-line, so maybe because of that I'm getting that problem. Okay, let's come at the beginning over here. Let's put it inside quotes, not even here, just here, and after that let's put quotes here, and let's go to the beginning and let's put everything inside the quotes just like it is asking me to do, and see whether it works or not. Run it again. And what I'm doing that invalid reference format. What am I doing wrong here? Come on here. I'm using database URL, and what is the problem with this? The error persists because bash on Windows mishandles multi-line /h solution single line. Okay, that means I had better not use multi-line slashes. Okay, it's gonna be like that. Testing and trying. First of all, using this thing is not a good one, so let's remove this particular thing from here. Second thing, okay, and second thing is that I have to go here, and okay, I have to remove this backslash as well. I have to run it again and then see whether it works or not, and it worked. Amazing. As right now it's working. Will I be able to get the data over here? Let's see. We are getting the data. Am I going to be able to save the data? Let's save some of the data. Use Postman for it. So let's use Postman. If it is working, that means we can provide the database on while running this thing too. And when we are actually able to provide the database, it will run and it will work great. And at the end of the day, we will be using the CI/CD pipeline for running it. So let's see. Username 8080 user. Let's post the data first of all. Okay, backslash and create an error, invalid create invocation. Prisma. I'm actually getting an error right now. That is because I have no idea. So let's go to the database first of all. Maybe I made some changes by mistake. So one of them is index.js. I'm posting the data over here. Is there anything wrong with this? I don't think so. There's nothing seems to be wrong. If there is nothing wrong, so why am I getting that error? Username. If I try to get the data, and that's going to be users. Connection terminated unexpectedly. 8080. That's already running on 8080. I hope the connection is still online. The connection hasn't been terminated. If I go to localhost, if I reload the page, I'm actually getting the result. That means the URL is something that's wrong. Let's go to Postman. Let's provide this. Get the URL. Okay, something's up. I don't need to send any data. Send it again. Okay, right now I'm getting it. If I send the data, what will happen? Okay, I'm still getting it. That's amazing. If I try to save the user using post method, what will happen? I'm able to save that. If I try to save more users, I'm able to save more users. If I try to get the users, and I'm actually able to get them. If I try to get them here, I'm able to get them here as well. So this is the good thing. The next thing that we'll be doing, we will be actually running the backend on an AWS machine, and At that time we are going to check whether it works on the AWS machine or not, and it is able to talk to the database or not. And if it is able to talk to the database, then we will be running using Docker Compose file, and with the help of that we will be starting all the processes, and we may be starting the Docker as well on AWS machine instance. And then let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be pretty crazy and amazing. I will be catching up soon, by the way. I just gotta go somewhere for some work. Until then, take care, and I'm gonna be coming back. Bye bye.